And thus, you might fall. Toboggans are not designed for extreme winter sporting. You're only halfway. Congratulations! You've just been invited to your first snowball fight. The snowball fight is a loosely organized, informal affair. Smell snowballs in the morning. We're never gonna make it. If all seems lost, remember, there's no shame in surrender. You might even invite your opponent for a nice time.
Dulaan oh.
Bigiri ko kasi alam ko. Ayo kay mapaakan ka, katawasan ka good boy ko. I'll stay sa lang.
Stag di na ipabalik og tangkal ron.
Ako na nag-injikan.
Kuha daddy manok. Kaluoy. Dulaan.
I wonder if there's more. Hey, Lydia, help me look. Sure thing, Tig. I'll get right up. Wow. How did you find anything?
Cool, duman daddy good.
Nawa na ako dulaan. Sangko gana ron hindi na pabalik tangkal.
Ano na palakon? Tapos, isa may masugalan eh. PM lang.
Na.
Wala na. Sleep na ang chicken. Sleep na. Sleep na. Later na. Sleep na chicken. Saman? Sleep naman ang chicken. Sleep na. Ha? Kaon ang chicken?
I just saw you
Huh?
come out of that thing.
Kaon ang chicken? Sleep naman.
Your name's Chrome?
Oh, sleep
It's
na.
nice to meet
Oh,
you.
tara.
I'm Pinocchio.
Ano na lang ha?
Oh, yeah.
Hapon na lang. Sleep naman chicken. Hapon na lang. Uni kroy man.
Gather a small handful of snow and, ever so carefully, begin to roll it off the ground. As it rolls, your snowball will slowly increase.
Tatabi Ibrahim. Luwag ko na. Dito ka.
Form a second, smaller skin for your snowman's torso.
Palakon eh. Ay, change kaon na itong buutan, be. Itong buutan lang. Itong buutan, ay change.